Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 21st December 2023. A Reserve Bank of India circular issued on Tuesday prohibits banks and NBFCs from investing in AIFs to prevent questionable asset transfers. This will affect large banks and NBFCs involved in AIF investments. This RBI measure imposes significant requirements on banks and NBFCs. Provisioning at a few banks keen on investing in AIFs could surge, while institutional flows into these aggressively managed pooled corpuses face disruption risks after the central bank announced wide investment curbs aimed at preventing evergreening of doubtful corporate loans. This notification is intended to curb window dressing of loan books and evergreening efforts by a few lenders. The RBI has specified a 30-day deadline for banks and NBFCs to liquidate investments in an AIF if its downstream investment is in a debtor company. India's competition watchdog has written to Religare Enterprises seeking information on whether its largest shareholder, the Burman family, had sought a merger involving the company or proposed to get involved in its management or have a representation on its board. The Competition Commission of India has also sought communication documents exchanged between the Burmans and Religare from October 13, 2017 to September 25, 2023, the period when the promoters of FMCG major Dabur acquired shares in the financial services firm. The government is exploring setting up a health sector regulator that will also facilitate affordable health insurance coverage for all citizens. The government is of the view that to achieve the vision of insurance for all, more concentrated steps need to be taken to drive health insurance penetration and keep it affordable. Sony and Zee have decided to enter into good faith negotiations as required under the merger cooperation agreement to discuss the extension of the date required to make the merger scheme effective by a reasonable period. On December 17th, Zee asked Sony Group companies Culvermax Entertainment, also known as SPNI, and Bangla Entertainment to extend the date. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.